Okay, I guess we could start now. Let's see, only 7 viewers. Can you actually hear me? And stream this. Here it goes. Last time I did this. Okay, Visual Studio. Good, perfect. Okay, what I need here is 1.5 engine. Where are you? Here it goes. So last time I was checking the game. The enemy that I was working on was the Kratos, and I was having a few issues identifying some of its routines, especially the stuff that happens at initialization, which I kind of took my time to rewrite into something useful, which is this EX stuff here. And I need the chat. So what I added off screen was what basically corresponds to what it's still called dead, though I should really rename this to EX. No, not Z, but EX. Thank you very much. Rename. EX and EX. And EX. So this stuff here is used to move the Kratos from the initial state, which is over here, and I want a larger bar here. Thank you very much. The initializer, which is this one, and basically what it does is this shit over here is how it initializes the enemy depending on the type that is specified by the scripting, which is more or less two functions, which is 0 and 1 for EX, and then 2. This actually has an EX a third one, or a fourth one actually, which does pretty much nothing. As a matter of fact, it's here, it's defined, but it's never filled. And for some reason I forgot to add this one because I didn't forget. It's actually empty because all it does is show a few sprites and kill the monster, which is not what I need. So the stuff that you have here is, it pretty much is called after this initializer in the next frame, and in the original code it does something really weird, like make the game the entity intangible, make it project no shadows, but it doesn't disable it, so it's still there, it's just inactive. And it sets this to motions, motion 28 or 29, depending on whatever it was the type. If it was 41, you get 29, otherwise it's always 28. And then this is what does the trick. This makes the spider go into a loop, or rather let's say a wait state, which makes it do anything at all. So usually this PM type equals 42, which means it actually executes this stuff that makes it go into active rampage whenever you step on a trigger. In fact, this is called wait until trigger makes this active again. And what it does in reality is make the enemy visible again, make it tangible, and project a shadow, and then reset the type to 0, which means it's actually not doing anything out of normal. And it does a little motion here. This plays until the Kratos is on screen, or rather until it actually comes out of the floor, and then it goes into the first routine, which should be its not idling state but some kind of attack mode, where it tries to detect the player and follow him or her. So this is the stuff that I actually did here. The point is that the original game actually has two functions for this. No, wait. Yeah, this is it. It actually has two functions for this, which are identical for the most, except for this single line. The original line said move count equals 50, and the other one had 33. So what I did here was, instead of recycling the same exact code, which doesn't make much sense, I made so that it would actually pull this value from an array. So this is all it does right now. Okay, now let's see. The next thing that I need to work on is probably actions. Because I actually also added some damage reaction here. I don't remember if this was written in the previous stream, but what this does, though it's still broken, so I need to change this a bit. The spider monster has a guard mode. So whenever you hit it with a weak weapon like a gun, burst gun, and I think there was something else. Oh, like the knife. As soon as the monster gets hit, it goes into guard mode. When it's in guard mode, it won't be hurt at all, unless of course you're using a much more powerful weapon like the shotgun or grenades, rocket launcher, whatever you want to use. It has pretty much resistance to all kind of single bullet weapons, but everything else will just make the guard move completely useless. So this is done by actually hacking into the code. Since this stuff here is used as a way to make the enemy not lose any health. So this code does this: it restores life from the last hit. Yep, it's blinded by light. Actually, let me grab the other one. Though I could use some other music. Let's try Final Fantasy IV Synthetic Origins, which is a remix. So what I needed to check here was, is this condition completely wrong or correct? And I think it's actually incorrect. I need to flip this. Oh, oops. Okay, let's try and get this out of the way. This is supposed to be it. Do you know if this remix comes from some Dissidia game? Because I have no idea where this could be from. Especially the other one, the techno remix. I got this from Final Fantasy Record Keeper and looped them myself. But I have no idea where these come from. Okay, so this could be a brand new one. Okay, let me try just real quick if this is the condition that I needed here. I don't even know if the game is going to boot after reformatting. Okay, it's actually it's not working, I think. It's definitely not restoring anything at all. Let's see. Did this use? Nope. Oh wait, I think this is probably not even needed. There is no asymmetry release. Does it even do any sound? Oh wait, the Kratos is using tyrants. Can't go away. Okay, it's not dying, but it's close enough. And what I want to do is restore the sound. Where's the sound? I think it's this, probably. Oh wait, I don't have the sound. What happened? Thank you, Jose. Let's see. Why don't I have this? Do I have sounds from older? Oh yeah, it's because I need to pull this from. Wait, wrong. And I need to pull this crap from, I think, 1.5, the original. What was the room? 407, I think, 404. Actually, let's try with P sound. Yeah. 403, I think it is. Could it be? Okay, it's not 403. Oh wait, it's 503. Stupid me. Okay, here it goes. I think but I don't have. The data is structured as usual, so let's try with this. Kratos, grab the data here, and I need some manual work. Sources, Vincent, and let's try this. What I need to do is, where do I have the sounds? The sound classes is called, what the hell was this one called? It's not AnkBag, it's something like that, I guess. Nope, this is not it. Jesus, where's the stuff? I think it's called P sound, but it's not here for some weird reason. Deck stuff is here, and where the hell is the sound stuff? Oh, here it goes. P sound, found you. So what I need here is I need the EDT class, and I need this one. So let's try writing some code for this. Outlining, toggle all outlining, and here it goes. I need open ADT, but I need the second one, I guess. Yes, that's what I need. Sound. Okay, it's just sound, it's 1.5, and it's Kratos. And it's just enemy VP. So point ETH. What's the second one? It's the VH. And the other one is the VB, I think. Then EDT. How do I save the project? Save project. Here it goes. Go figure now. I think this should be the project thingy, I guess. I don't even remember how my code works anymore. Yes, build, thank you very much. So, is this even working? Yes, it is. And here it goes. Let's see if it produced any of the files. Yep, it did. This goes here. So what I need now is to check if any of this data is even useful, though it might not be. Okay, the thing is a bit huge, I guess. Let's see how it compares to most other enemies. It's pretty huge. Let's see, compared to the zombie. No, compared to the zombie, it's okay. And how do I add this? Yep, odd. Thank you very much. Okay, and SVN is completely fucked up. Okay, so what I need to fix here is let's see, this should be all good, I guess. And what's here? This is good as well. Let's see the ADSR. Okay, this is mostly default values. Yes, it is. And mode, volume, BAG. Okay, it's using all of them. And let's see, the rest is 0. Panning is central. Okay, I guess this is good. Now to write the actual stuff. So now that I have the Kratos sound files down, what I need is how the hell do I recompile the 1.5 stuff? And it's called build files 1.1, create config, maps, build extra. Eagles is still fine. You don't see Aegis in the front line, but it's still there. Trust me. So, for some reason I can't find the code that I need. Could this be actually... Oh, here it goes, I guess. Where is it? No, this is the BLW2. And let's see, downscale backgrounds. Nope. Not what I need. 1.5 items. No. Maps. No. No. Extra 1.5. Nope. This is the gallery. No. Come on, where's this crap? Pack sounds. Here it goes. So this is arms, core, and the enemies, of course, which it doesn't work. Yes. Oh wait, no, it should work. But what I don't need is this, I guess. Kratos. Let's try and drop this in here. Why is this not inside? Hold on. Actually, let's see if this is even called somewhere else. No, it's not. So what gives? What's not there? Okay, and Vincent. This should, I think, create all the files that I need. Okay, let's try and see if this is encoding all the stuff. No, it's not encoding all the stuff, I guess. Nope, it's not encoding anything whatsoever. So what's the problem here? Why are you not encoding any of this? Oh yeah, because I put this here. Good. Don't move. Okay, did you compile Kratos? No. survivor, data, enemy, wrong folder. What was this called? Sound enemy? Yeah, here it goes. Kratos. And go Kratos. I don't even get your message. What are you trying to say there? Yeah. Go figure. Okay. Okay, so we've got the Kratos here working, and I need to add the... Wait, what was the Kratos even? What was the number of the Kratos? I don't remember. Was it... Jesus, I don't remember any of my own stuff. It's... let's see, this one. Kratos is number 27. So 27, here it goes. Here we go. And this should at least give it proper sound enemy, and let's try and compile this. This is not even making any real sound at all. So let's try and see what this does. Okay. Let's identify these sounds. Is this? Wait a second, let me stop the music. I have no idea what this sound is. Wait, what? This is not even complete. And this is cut, I guess. to change this slightly, because for some reason this is not going the way it is supposed to be. And let me see if this is even working the way it should be. I guess, come on, do this. And okay again. And let's see if this is doing what it should be doing. Yes, it is. Indeed. So let me check the save VPK thing. And so it should be in here, I guess. So let's see how many of this. Okay, so it's writing them all, but for some reason it's not really. So how many tones does this have? It's not one. What? How can this have 1056? Is this even in the bug mode? Yes, it is. And it's indeed writing all of them. So is the engine actually doing something weird here? The attribute count should be good. Tone 1, count 0, and attribute 23. And I think this should be good. Oh wait, tones. Let's see what this does. Program size, where's tones? Okay, this is supposed to SVH, VHS. Oh, this is the size, yeah. So this is correctly working as intended. So the problem is somewhere else, I guess. It's probably my debug stuff. Let's see the debug why it's not working as intended. Where's the selection thing for the debugger? And so it is the utility, memory, writing, and what I need is sound. Okay, this is sound. And where does it even find the stuff that I need? This is to build the pitch tables. And this is getting the VAG attributes. Okay. Current type, current sound, and no vector. Okay, and where's the sound count? Where is this even set? Off confused. How is this even properly referenced? Come on, build the tables. Thank you very much. Let's see, where is this? Tone count. Oh, here's the tone count. How is the tone count created? This is the door room system, and this is the enemy stuff, which means I suspect I might have a bug here. How is the tone count even filled? BPK buffer. Okay, this is the count of tones, which is correct. Let's see the tone count here. Okay, it's 13, so this is wrong. It's definitely wrong. What's VTS? So this is counting incorrectly, I guess. And the problem is here somewhere. It's definitely not something that is supposed to happen. So save tone. I think save tone is the issue here. BBS. What's BBS? It's the size of this table, I guess. Is this because I'm actually using 13 samples? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Yeah, this is because I'm pulling this stuff from the wrong table, I think. So this is actually creating as many entries as in this. So I'm using the wrong stuff all over the place. this is 96 and it's actually 24 samples. So the tone count is actually incorrect because it's not BTS, it's actually VHS. And the size of tone is, how many tones do I have here? Okay, so this was wrong all along. I'm not even checking the correct stuff here. I'm using incorrect data. There it goes. Good. And let's see. And I think I need to rewrite some things to make this work. Though this is correct as far as I'm aware. Oh wait, it's because it's actually pulling stuff from here, not from the well, I guess I could use this instead. Go back into the game. Let's try and see if this works this time. And how do I disable the sound? I think it's here somewhere. Okay, this should be good. And what I need here is enemy. So stream, creepy shit. The dinosaur sound. I think this is fist. Acid spit. Stab sound. That's the 6th one. Anybody got any clue what this could be? This is destroy panel. I think that is the sound that it makes when it's dying. This is a swing. This is the acid spit colliding. I think this is let's and this does nothing whatsoever. It's silence. So let's give this proper names. 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, and most of these are identified. So oh wait, I actually need to change this from 1 to counting. I can't use the names 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13. Okay, this goes here. And it's using 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, where's 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13 is never used, I guess. Okay, so let's see. Tone 1, scream. Tone 2, creepy shit. Is this using the creepy shit again? Yes, it is. And what's the difference between the two? Okay, it's actually changing the flags. Is this doing the scream again? Yes, it is. Let's see, number 3. 3, what's 3? It's scroll. Is the feast thing. Is there any 4? Yes, there is. And 5 is acid spit, which I think I might need to change because of how the acid thing works. 6 is stab. Where's 6? Here it goes. 6. Is there any other 6? Yes, there is. And then 7, 7, 7, 7 is here, and here again. 8, 8, 8. Where's 8? Here it is. And 8 is here again. 9 is dying. Where's 9? Where's 9? there's only one 10. Let's see, 11 as it's been colliding. 11 goes here and it goes here as well. Wait, I actually forgot that there is another 5. And 12 is the only one left, yes. So let's use actual indices here. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. This is 12, 13, 14, 10, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. There's no 24. Okay, let me re-add the music back. How do I stop you? There it goes. And okay, let's go back to Kratos. Is anybody even watching the stream? Oh yes, there is 11 viewers. Hey guys, anybody around? I don't see many of you doing anything at all. I guess my stream scheduling wasn't really the best. Okay, let's go back to the stream. Okay, still nobody. Where's everyone? Bingo. So I guess my issue here must be the fact that I'm using the wrong code somewhere, which I've got to remember. Okay, this is the move that makes it go into restoring the life. Okay, here it goes. Okay. Is anyone there? Am I even showing this to anybody at all? Because otherwise I might just quit with the stream. Guess I should reschedule. Hi there. Finally somebody is actually replying. Yeah, but the thing is, if there's almost nobody watching, there's no point in going on with the stream. So I guess what I'll do is keep going for a while, but then there are actually nine more people watching the stream, and according to OBS it's 11 in total, but it doesn't make much sense since it's probably either OBS mismatching the figures or it's YouTube being stupid for some reason. like y as its speed. A. KS swing. KS acid sheet. Bounce. Okay, and this is repeating again, which I don't need, I guess. Is this even repeating for real? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, it's missing. Wait a second. No, this is wrong. So this is actually repeated, I guess. So I don't need anything beyond this point. And let's see the rest of this. 6 with 6 is it? Wait a second, nope, this is not correct. Why is this doing a noise? Hey Darren. There it goes, this is the step. Finally. Step again. And this is where it's restoring the health, and this is where it's still guarding, which is producing no sound whatsoever. So where's the sound where the thing bounces? How come this is not showing up? It's supposed to be here, I think. Oh, here it goes. No, wait. Oh, wait, here it is. The bouncing thing is encoded here. Okay. Oh, so the noise thing is supposed to make you aware of the enemy. Yeah, it's not really easy to understand. Some things may be obscure to most people. I mean, it's just to show you the how this works, how I do the thing that I do. And of course, this is completely wrong. Let's see. Where's the stuff that I need? It's on my desktop, I guess. And I need to check one animation. Not even sure if this is supposed to be. It's not 24. It's every 14 frames. Let's try and see if this is more like a complete thing. Oh wait. Okay, this is making the correct sound, though the animation is still a bit jerky. Why is Liam making no sound? Did I actually forget to give this any sounds? Or is the sound even there? Okay, this is completely broken. I think the sound is supposed to be 3. Okay, so let's give this some sounds, I guess. Oh, come on. Just compile. And this is room 209, I guess. 209, here it goes. Let's see if where's the floor data? Why am I not showing the floor data, and where's my floor? Oh, it was completely out of range. Genius. I was still using the original thing, I guess. Really nice. And the ID is 3, I think. Let's see how this works in game. And pack this. I don't need the stuff. Where's all the stuff? Where's the compression? It's not here. Downscale, pack. Oh, good. Generate room series. And I don't need this anymore. So let's try and generate some rooms now. If this works, I guess it should be good. Okay, it's generating the room data, though it's actually writing the wrong stuff. Yeah, thank you very much, but no. I need stage 2. Come on. I don't need the masks. I need the rooms. And I need that one in particular, which is not here. Come on, come on, come on. Yeah, no, the profiles are not correct. I don't care. And I think it's here. There it goes. And let's see if that fixed the issue with the floor not working. This is a weird sound for footsteps, but at least it's here, I guess. And this is definitely wrong. This is wrong as well. This is wrong. I think I might have to fix the masks a bit first. And this is weird. It's making the sound of the first step but not the second. Why is it not screaming? Okay, this doesn't make any sense. And let's try and give this the die animation while I'm at it. It might be a nice idea to just keep the stream going for a while. And let's see, what do we do here? I think, wait, what? What's this? Oh, wait a second, I need to, yeah, don't display this message, who cares? Oh wait, what's this? Oh, I actually forgot that I still have to agree with the license. Yes, I agree, thank you very much, and bye. Okay. What I need to check is, where was it? Still some PS. And yeah, I don't care, thank you. Come on. It's not what I'm asking you. This is what I'm asking. It's flag clear. Nice of them. B8. Well, I made it. I might just be doing this instead. Flag set. Okay, and this should fix. This is enemy flag, I think, and it's pretty big. Let's see how big this is. 1, 2, 3, 4. So to make 2055 I need 3264. I need 8. Oh yeah, this is because the game is kind of stupid. and this is actually using enemy flag 2 instead of 1 for some reason. Oh yeah, it's because the first one is used in the RPD. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 as suspected. So let's see, 3, 8, 3, 8, here it goes. And it's an array, it's 8, thank you very much. And this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 more. Yeah, thank you very much. Can I actually use this? This data might come in handy, I guess. It just appears out of nowhere, kind of like Leaker. Oh wait, I actually miss you guys chatting. Where have you been? Looks really good so far. Do we find out anything about the main spider, or does it just appear? Would been cool here. Yeah, he just appears out of nowhere. It's just there, like most of the monsters, like the spiders. You just get them. There's no backstory, at least in the game. It's just like you get Birkin out of nowhere. It's always there. Although what I'm not really sure about, not suppose, I mean, is how, where does it even stand? I mean, because with the web spinners you have the evolution from the web spinner, I think. So Black Tiger is the sort of evolution of that. It's much bigger, and it loses the ability to climb, but it can weave webs. And I thought maybe the main spider is either an evolution of that or an extra mutation, something like that. Maybe it's just a web spinner plus a random guy who got infected. That's my only doubt about the Kratos. It's never explained anywhere, even in the extra stuff that I got. I mean, even the mutant that turns into that kind of liquor, that's got some sort of backstory. I think it's supposed to be an enemy in disguise, like appears like a regular person and then turns into a monster and attacks you. But in this case, there's really nothing about it. It's just comes out from the ventilation hole or from the floor. So what gives? So I think it may keep on going for a small while and then I'm out. Okay, so 1C6 is actually the enemy. What the hell is this even called? Hey there, Defactor. Finally some guy that I always have in my streams. Okay, so let's see. I think it's called in enemy sub 1. No, actually no, it's probably, oh no, here it goes. EM set flag, that's what this is called. So I can finally give this crap a name. It's 1C6, so gotta figure out right now what's this. Okay, I might have to change this at some point. This is an interesting remix. So, this I probably don't even need into my code, since this is actually supposed to appear in 1.5. Yes, retail actually did this in a different way, much cleaner, which is what you see here, and that is it checks the stage, and if it's less than 3 it uses the first set of flags, otherwise it uses the second set to flag the enemy as dead. And the thing here is that 1.5 actually has got this bit here encoded into the code, instead of trying to do it in a more generic way, though I suspect this might actually kill the performance a bit, maybe. Well, not just kill the performance, more like, since it can use 255 enemies at max, plus double that count, which means that these enemies can only not respawn if their count is low. I guess Capcom tried to implement way too many enemies or something, unless for some reason Resident Evil 2 actually manages to reset that flag on its own, and by doing that it's pretty much resetting everything, allowing the game to have way more enemies than it's supposed to be. Though I might actually change this mechanism a bit and have the number to go way beyond 255. Something like, I don't know, maybe twice as much in any case, and have this reset as soon as you clear the sewer, I guess. This is going to need some planning, because I have no idea how many enemies are in the RPD or in the sewer, and I'm pretty sure that when you go back from the RPD, no, actually when you finish the sewer, you're not supposed to go back into it, at least from some point on, because if you try and access the manhole, it says I don't have any energy left, I can't go back, which is pretty much what retail does in the sewer. You're not supposed to go back. It says something like there's no point in going back, or am I mixing stuff up with Gun Survivor, which does something kind of like that, especially when you keep using a branch of the scenario. I don't remember. And my stream, at least we can see. Oh wait, no, it's restored. And I think my Firefox died for some reason, and I don't have a clean install of Waterfox since I nuked the thing. Oh wait, it actually tried to come back to life. Good. No, it's dead again. Great, thank you Firefox, you're so useful. very useful. Jesus, this thing is really crappy. Nothing's loading. Okay, let's go back into Kratos and see what I can do about its death animation and then kill the stream, because I'm pretty not satisfied about this stream so far. Oh wait, it's finally loading. Okay, so I have most of this. Okay, case 4 is already documented, and this is case 3, which simply does the animation thing, I guess. So let's do it like this. Trying to move PM, pcam, psec. PM loading 3 takes 4. Wait a second. Does it always jump out? Yes, it always jumps out. And so this is definitely a break. And where's case 2? Case 2 does it goes into case 3, stores new move, and it checks for this crap. Wait a second, what's damage count? We'll never understand this. This is probably the direction of the shot, I think, which is probably stored in some other variable here, which is, let's see, weapon check. Let me see what the hell this was even called, which is so this is front. Okay, it's not damage count, it's damage flag. This is why it never made any sense to me. And the flags should be pretty much the same, which means this is from the back. And so this should be front. No, wait, this is left, right, and from the back, I think. And otherwise, there is no case 10 for some reason. Damage flag. Where's damage flag here? It's, wait a second, this is not even reset. Oh yeah, because damage flag, this is actually the range. And this is reset on each hit. And let's see, range flag takes damage number, left shift 3, it's not even multiplied by 8. Is the stream even working? Yes, it is. Okay, let's see how this works. Now that I have this piece of extra information, let's try uncoloring this. So this is let's see, PM reading 3 takes 3, so it goes into case 3. And what I need to do here is double M. Actually, no. Should I use double M first? Should I assemble this? No, I think this is actually faster this way. PM damage flag and 80. So if this is true, if this is true, I get PM 10 0 and what's interpolation 7. Otherwise, double M is PM 11 07. And let's see if this is even correct. So 11 no, actually let's try and use my own viewer for this. The other one is definitely broken. Reptilian, and grab me some beer please. Where is this source? Data Resident Evil 1.5 and enemy, I think it's 27. Yes, it's 27. Animation 10. 10 is front and oh crap. What the hell is wrong with this? Why do I never use is this newer? No, this is not. This is newer, I guess. And it's also larger, quite a bit. So 27. Okay, this is much better, I guess. So 10 is a frontal hit, and yeah, without the grid this is actually horrible. This is falling to the ground. Actually, I think this is in reverse, because if this... No, I think this is correct actually, but for some reason it's in reverse. I guess it doesn't even matter that much. So let's see, what is that I need now? Case 2 should be... Okay, this is not case 2, this is case 1, and here it goes. Let's see, actually let's try with... Wait, why is this even trying to... What? What the hell is this even doing? I think this is the sprite thing, and this is yet another sprite. How many sprites does this thing even use? Structure. Oh, wait a second. It's 2 different sprites, I guess, so I need... them like this, I think. There it goes. Okay, let's try this one instead. And what's the size of this? It's not 800 but 1000, maybe 1000. Thank you. And the rest is 00. And let's see, what's this? Is this another sprite? I mean a vector. Yes, it is another vector. And I can't Jesus Christ, I can't even try and use this. It's not signed at all, but it's not even the same as this one. But I don't think it doesn't matter. So let's try and get this done. Damage flag, why is this even doing this stuff? I guess it's because the engine is not automatically doing this, so I don't care, and I don't need this. Thank you so much, all you. Let's try this. I think this could be a bit like this, so it's 9, or it's 9 or 8. Let's see what's 9 or 8. What's a 9? Okay, 9 is actually the enemy. Wait a second, is this an interrupted thing? Okay, 10 is frontal indeed, or at least it seems to be. Oh no, wait, because it's 8. Okay, so 8 is a frontal hit, and so am I doing this in reverse here? I don't think I am doing this in reverse, but I am. Yay, this is really stupid. There it goes, fixed. And D like C takes 0 again, I think. Yes. Oh, there's no interpolation. Nice, really nice. 0 interpolation whatsoever. So this goes back to 0, I guess. And it's spitting a no, wait, it's not spitting anything. This is actually a more blood thing. The thing is though that, okay, this is correct, same matrix, same shit for the direction, and what I need to change is just the vector, I guess, 0 instead of 1, and I'm going to need to flag this one, so flag it here, I guess. And what's this? Okay, so this is case 1, which does the animation, and for some reason this is actually playing the whole animation, which shouldn't actually happen. Oh wait, this is the movement thing, which I don't really like that much. Okay, so this is actually trying to play the whole thing, and when it reaches the end it increments, but I think this is another way to prematurely increment the thing. As a matter of fact, yes, it is. It tries to see if the frame is 24, it does this sound and goes into the next frame. So is this 24? Yes, it is. Okay, so it's if wait, actually no, this is more like it. Rooting 3 takes 2, and this makes, what sound does it make? It's sound 7, which is smash. Is this even a thing? Yes, apparently it's the smash sound for whatever reason. Oh, it's probably the sound that it does when it falls to the ground. And let's see, let's animate this and make it go into this is correct, and I need to check. Oh, wait a second. What was the parameter that it doesn't even use? It's A0, I think. A1, however, is the one that is actually used, which means that I need to fix this crap, but for the moment I'll just drop this dead. Let's see how this works. Is it even going to work at all? Will this work? Will this not work? Just die, come on. Okay, and he's dead. Now let's try and see if I can actually shoot it in the back and kill it. Why is my emulator running so slow? Can I get behind him? Yes, I can. Yep, and he dies. Both the ways supposed to. Front, back, and there it goes. Dead. Though the shadow, I think, is not really the best. Where's the die code actually? No, it's dead. So, oh yeah, it's because I reversed the values. It's 255. Okay. Try again this. Oops. Come on, die. Okay, the blood is red again now. Is he intangible? Yes, he. Should I try and he doesn't die? Oh no, he does. Poor boy. Let's see, that's some of the weapon. What happens if I use this or this or this or this or this or this? Let's try with all the weapons that I have. Okay. And there it goes. Pretty fast to go down. What? Oh yeah, because I probably didn't give it. Yeah, I didn't give it the correct reaction. Yes, it says X Buster, but it's not. It's actually the solid cannon. There it goes. I think this is working pretty much as intended. Let's see how he reacts to some fire. Okay, it doesn't really like it. Okay, let's try with the rocket and see if it... There, dead. I guess the thing that I should do with this one is make things explode a bit, maybe? Should I add that kind of stuff? I mean, like the extra legs explode or something? What should I do about the gore effect? Jesus Christ, this is like lagging down quite a bit. Oh wait, it was the emulator. And my stream was lagging quite a bit. Okay, how long have I been streaming? 2 hours and 6. Let's see, so what I've got is the killing thing is here. I fixed the shadow. Yeah, I think those would have to explode and at least make the spider black. Something like that. Making things explode should be easy enough. It's just a matter of setting a few bomb flags. That's anyway what the thing is called. Let me think, what should I do now? Maybe I should try and implement the other reaction to the shots, maybe? I mean, this one should be much simpler than the other one, I think. As a matter of fact, it is, I think. It does seem to be. Structural 1d5. This 100. Yes, it is. Let's build some of this. I didn't even check this one properly. I guess I was not even going to check this one because I haven't started doing any analysis code. I mean, the usual drill that I do when I analyze these things, it's not here, so you can see that I haven't even touched this part of the code. And let's see, this should be work matrix, I think. Yeah, it's work matrix. And oh, here it goes again. Oh wait, so this vector is actually used in more than one place, not just the dead thing. I wonder if I should use a copy instead, or if I should just try and make it global to the file. Oh wait, it's just one. Okay, it's just one call to the sprite thing, which maybe I shouldn't even implement for now. It should be just a minor touch. This music is making me sleepy. Thank you, the Lunarians. Bye. Here goes within the giant. Okay, so this is doing the stuff from before. Okay, the difference here is that die and damage actually use the same code for reaction to shots. The difference is that the other code kills the animation before and makes another one play instead. In this case though, I think there is no such thing, and yeah, I was correct. This is just movement stuff, and I suppose I could maybe just copy and paste some code here, though I don't really want to. I just realized I've been watching tonight's stream without. Oh, hi Dogma. But I did call for action and nobody was there to listen to me. So I guess I could try and implement this function and then I can cut the stream. Not much really to see tonight. It's a bit boring, I know. And where's the routing? Here it is. I think this is a 3-case switch, maybe. So 1, 2, and 3. No, 0, 1, 2. Oh, let's see. 0. Okay, so 0 is this one. And this is case 2. Where's case 1? This is case 1. There it goes. Alpha, it's because I didn't start the stream, and that was by accident. I realized then that I was streaming with that other guy who said, I noticed that he said I'm going to subscribe, and it made me subscribe. Then it was not in the subscription for some reason, so I unsubscribed. And the thing is that I just forgot to stream again, so I was playing with him but I wasn't streaming. Nope, I died like in the first 20 minutes maybe, and everybody else died as well. That's what happens when you play very hard just for the sake of it. Yeah, he did. I guess there will be no collaboration. Is this even correct? 8 or 9? Yes, it is. The Ooh, what did I do here? This is wrong. Horribly wrong. Did I actually use any of... Oh wait, this is actually correct. This one is 0 and this other one as 7. Weird. Okay. And the thing here is use sprite call, which I'm going to cut out because there is no sprite. And sound. Okay, supposed to make a scream sound. Where's the sound thing that I can copy? Here it is. Okay, yeah, scream. And I think case 2 is, no, case 1 is the same as well, just without this crap in the middle. And the movement thing, which I'm not going to write down right now because I don't want to figure this kind of crap here. So this is going to 1-7, I think. Yes, 1-7, which is move and guard. Can you even guard after a shot of that magnitude? Oh well. He is going to guard anyway, I guess. There it goes. And actually, okay, damage flag is going to be reset, but I don't care since it's always reset anyway. Will this work? Does this work? Hi Jesus, how is your Easter going? Are you coming back to Earth? Oops. And this is not supposed to be what I meant here. Think more like this instead. Here it goes. And he's back on track. Yeah, nicely done, thank you very much. Die here. Oh wait, he can actually die from just one shot. Die, monster. And die. There it goes. Okay, I think his reaction to shots is spot on, I guess. It does seem to work fine. His AI is still a bit wonky and he doesn't even attack. Come on, Jesus doesn't go to hell, everybody knows that. At least not in my Tolkien. Come on. Boom. Ha 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 ha, so nice. But does he die against grenades? Oops, wrong shot. Ooh. So he dies whenever you hit him with a grenade. And let's see, what other kind of weapon should I use on this? Oh, I didn't try this one, did I? Yeah, those are acid rounds. I don't think they do anything right now. Actually, let me try some of this. Do they make any sound? Nope, they don't. It's probably because a sound cue, yeah, it's completely failed. And it does nothing because it doesn't have any sound. It just behaves like regular grenades, I think. It's supposed to show some smoke coming from it, like this one has got the flame thing, and but doesn't have any sounds, so it just produces garbage. Actually, let's try and see. Do I even have the hard mode set on this one? Where's the stuff? Okay, he dies with just two hits is maybe not very much. Okay. I don't think that was supposed to happen. Let's try with acid grenades. Just one hit. Not for the acid grenades or the flame grenades. They just don't exist at all. It's got the sounds for the regular grenade, which I do have, and I actually have them implemented as they are supposed to be, so it's just for those weapons. Do I have the file? Nope, it's not even enabled yet. Okay, so just the burst. Yeah, it's just the burst. And well, I think I will be going into, yeah, that's also the same configuration that I have, because the grenades are supposed to be a specific sound, not just a generic one. And I think the same sound is also used for rockets exploding. Because you can actually throw a grenade, go into the inventory, and make them explode by going back with a new weapon. Which means that if you have the sounds for a weapon loaded as you load a weapon, as soon as you switch to another one, it's going to, the sound is not going to be there anymore. And in Resident Evil 1, I think that produces no sound at all. So that's why it's been changed. Okay guys, I guess it's time to leave. It's been over 2 hours and I really want to sleep now. So in the next stream I guess I'll keep going with the spider monster. And I don't know when I will be able to stream. Probably tomorrow, maybe? I don't know. Maybe at the same time as today. Okay. This is nice because the music is about to end as I quit the stream. So I guess see you tomorrow. And good night, guys.